It starts here. Fresh milk from local farms.
High-quality dairy is the foundation of our product.
Rich cream and milk are collected daily. Transported immediately to the processing plant to ensure freshness.
Arrival at the manufacturing facility.
Sanitation is the first priority before unloading. Before a single drop enters the plant, we test it.
Checking for fat content, bacteria, and purity.
Only the best milk makes the cut. The milk is pumped into refrigerated silos. Welcome to the mix room, the heart of the operation.
The recipe begins with precise measurements.
Sweetness is calibrated perfectly.
Adding premium flavor bases.
Natural stabilizers ensure a smooth texture. The liquid dairy base is agitated to create a vortex. Dry ingredients are incorporated instantly. The mix is heated to dissolve all solids. The raw mix travels to pasteurization. Pasteurization kills any harmful bacteria. Rapid heating ensures safety without cooking the flavor. Next, the mix enters the homogenizer. We break down fat globules so the cream doesn't separate.
The result is a uniform, velvety emulsion. The mix is rapidly cooled down to 4 degrees Celsius.
It enters the aging tanks. Slow agitating keeps it consistent. It must age for at least 4 hours. Proteins hydrate, and the mix thickens.
Now the mix is ready for freezing.
Time to add the specific flavor profile.
Real vanilla extract is blended in.
Or fruit purees for fruit flavors. The mix enters the continuous freezer. Inside, a bladed dasher spins at high speed. Liquid nitrogen or ammonia jackets freeze the walls instantly. Blades scrape frozen mix off the walls thousands of times a minute.
We inject air. This is called overrun. Air gives it that scoopable texture. It exits at about -5 degrees Celsius. Temperature is critical for the next step.
Now for the chunky bits, the inclusions. Chocolate chips, nuts, or cookie dough.
An auger gently pushes them into the flow.
Caramel is injected in a ribbon pattern.
Everything combines in the pipeline.
Sensors ensure every bite has goodies.
The fully loaded product heads to packaging.
The filling room operates at high speed.
Cartons are denested and placed on the line. Precision timing aligns them under the nozzle.
Bottom-up filling prevents air pockets. The container fills in a split second.
A quick spin gives it a nice visual finish.
Lasers ensure the weight is exact. Lids are sterilized and fed to the capper.
Sealed tight to lock in freshness.
Date codes and batch numbers are printed.
Ready for the deep freeze. It is still soft, so it enters the hardening tunnel.
It travels on a massive spiral for an hour.
Blasted with wind at migas and 40 degrees. This freezes the water content instantly.
Fast freezing keeps ice crystals microscopic.
Emerging rock hard and ready for shipping. Robots collate the pins for boxing. Cardboard sleeves are erected automatically. Packed securely for transport. Sealed and labeled. One final weight check ensures no missing pints. Inventory tracking labels applied.
Heading to the palletizing robot.
Stacked in an interlocking pattern for stability. The pallet is wrapped in plastic. Secured for the road.
Move to the cold storage warehouse.
This freezer holds millions of gallons.
organized by flavor and date.
Maintained at deep freeze temperatures. Orders come in from supermarkets. Stock is pulled for delivery.
The cold chain must never be broken.
Loaded into pre-cooled reefers.
Sealed up and ready to roll.
On the way to a store near you.
Distributed nationwide within days.
Arriving at the retailer.
Placed immediately into display freezers.
Waiting for a customer.
The final choice.
Finally, it reaches your kitchen.
The seal of quality.
Perfectly creamy texture.
The result of science and craft.
Customized just how I like it. Ready to taste.
Joy in every spoonful.
A complex journey for a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching How We Make It. And it's Antones.